Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today let's talk about 5 common investing mistakes. Averaging loss-making stocks. Averaging down means buying more shares of a stock as its price drops, which lowers your average purchasing price. Sounds tempting, right? But you should be aware, if the stock continues to fall, you could end up with even larger losses. It's critical to evaluate whether the stock has a real recovery potential before pouring in more money. Fear of missing out. Have you ever noticed those emotions that drives you to buy a stock in your watch list as it climbs up higher in price? FOMO drives us to make hasty decisions, whether it's buying stocks or jumping into trends just to avoid missing out. But acting on FOMO could lead to regret and poor choices. It is important to stay informed and make decisions based on research and not on panic. Not doing enough research before buying a stock. Jumping into stocks without proper research is like navigating without a map. You could end up with even bigger losses if you don't understand the company fundamentals and market conditions. Always deep dive into the financials, market trends, and company updates before investing. It's crucial for making informed decisions. Seasoned investors like Warren Buffett say that you should be able to write a 500-word essay about the company before you start buying the stock. Not diversifying the portfolio. Putting all eggs in one basket can be risky. If that one stock takes a hit, your entire portfolio could suffer. Diversification spreads your investment across different assets, reducing risk and helping stabilize returns. Make sure to diversify your holding to protect your investment. Letting emotions take over during market volatility. When market swings wildly, it's easy to panic and make impulsive decisions, like selling off stocks in rush. Instead, stay focused on your long-term strategy and avoid emotional reactions. Remember, investing is like a marathon, not a sprint. Stay calm, stick to your plan. Let me know in comments about other mistakes that you can remember during investing. If you found this content helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.